Revive your body's healing abilities and experience relief through craniosacral therapy. What is CST? CST is painless, non-invasive hands-on approach that releases tensions deep in the body to relieve pain and improve whole body health and performance. How is CST done? It involves the use of gentle touch to correct important functions of the body like flow of the cerebral spinal fluid, blood circulation, improved nerve function, improvement in lymphatic flow. What kind of problems can CST treat? Backache, migraine, chronic stress, hormonal imbalances, muscle and joint pain, fibromyalgia, and many more issues. CST can help you to achieve priceless benefits like getting relief from chronic health issues, releasing stress, experiencing relief from pain, giving you much needed calm and focus. Experience this deep rest that CST provides. Call 080 689 44565 to book a session with us.